Hi everyone and welcome to Plugins video series. In this video, I will show you how to configure business hours and availability for each location. So customers can only place orders when a store, hub or warehouse is open. The business hours and availability features lets you define opening and closing hours for each location and control whether customers can place orders based on those hours. This is especially useful for physical stores, pickup hubs, warehouses, or service-based location. Let's start by configuring business hours for a location. So let's go to WordPress dashboard and from Location Manage, click Locations. You can configure business hours while creating a new location or by editing an existing location. First, you need to select the time zone for this location. This is critical because availability is calculated based on the location's time zone. For each day of the week from Monday to Sunday, you can choose one of these three options. Choose closed if the location is not opening for that day. Or you can choose 24 hours if the location is open all the day. Or you can also add custom hours such as from 12 am to 6 pm. Thus, each location can have its own business hours. Once configured, then you need to click Save or Update. Now go to Location Manage and from here click Settings. From here we need to enable the related options. Find Location Info Management tab. Now scroll down to Location Hours and Availability panel. First enable the business hours. This activates business hour management for each location. Next you need to enable the display hours on location archive page and this shows stored business hours directly on the location archive page. Next, you need to enable the restrict purchasing to open hours. When this is on, customers can place orders when the selected location is open. If the store is closed, the Add to Cart button is disabled and customers see the availability status instead. Now let's go back to dashboard. Go to Location Manage, click Locations, click View on any location. On the location archive page, customers can see business hours, open or closed status, purchase availability based on the current time and time zone. Availability is calculated automatically using the location's time zone, configure daily business hours. And when the location is open, purchases are allowed and when the location is closed, purchases are restricted if enabled. Here are some best practices to follow. Always set the correct time zone for each location. Use purchase restriction for pickup only or physical stores. Display business hours on archive pages to reduce confusion. Test availability by checking outside business hours or changing system time. With location-based business hours and availability, you can clearly communicate store schedules, prevent orders when locations are closed, and create a more accurate location-aware shopping experience. So thanks for watching. Check the documentation link in the description for more details.